Hi, I'm Jennifer with Dental Solutions of Encinitas, and today we're discussing an issue that often occurs while we're deep in dreamland: teeth grinding, also known as bruxism. Bruxism can be a stealthy night thief, slowly wearing away at that precious enamel of ours. The good news is that with a custom made night guard, we can protect your teeth from the pressures of grinding. So let's work together to ensure that peaceful, damage free night, safeguarding your smile while you sleep. Ready to say goodbye to bruxism? Well, we're here to help you every step of the way.